Hello kids, good morning. Now today we are going to learn new phonic words. Phonic words A P A D A S. Okay? In phonic words we will learn today 3-letter words. हम 3-letter words पढ़ेंगे. In 3-letter words AP is a common word. In all 3-letter words AP is a common word and AD is a common word in this all 3-letter words and AS is a common word in both the letters. Okay, चलो आज हम लोग न्यू लेसन पढ़ेंगे. न्यू लेसन में 3-letter words पढ़ेंगे. See here, चलो let's start. CAP cap. See the picture of a cap. CAP cap. GAP gap. See in between gap. Gap is a distance. दिख रहा है. LAP lap. MAP map. See the map of our India. NAP nap. RAP rap. SAP sap. TAP tap. See here, in all the words AP is common. AP is common. Cap, gap, lap, map, nap, rap, sap, tap. Next, AD. See here in AD. BAD bad. DAD dad. FAD fad. HAD had. LAD lad. MAD mad. PAD pad. SAD sad. In all these 3-letter words, AD is a common word. AD सब में common है. Correct? So, again we will read the word bad, dad, fat, had, lad, mad, pad, sad. Next, AS. GAS gas. HAS has. What is the AS is common in both the words. GAS gas and HAS has. Okay, hope you understand all the words. ये आपको समझ में आ गया words? Yes, very good. Now we will take a practice of a writing. अभी हम लोग writing practice देखेंगे. Okay, let's learn the writing practice. Now start writing. CAP cap. CAP cap. See here, CAP cap. See, next, MAP map. MAP map. See, very good. Next, NAP nap. Very good. Next word is TAP tap. See, one more time I can write and you can write whole page in your notebook. CAP cap. MAP map. NAP nap. TAP tap. Write in your notebook whole page. Okay, now next words. DAD dad. LAD lad. PAD pad. SAD sad. See, Next again. D A D, dad. L A D, lad. P A D, pad. S A D, sad. See? Now, all eight words you can write in your notebook 2 times and practice for the reading. I can show you how to read again and again. CAP, cap. MAP, map. NAP, nap. TAP, tap. DAD, dad. LAD, lad. PAD, pad. SAD, sad. All the words you can write in your notebook.